This tutorial will guide you through the first use and phone pairing of your new Virtuo Next machine. First, rinse and clean the water tank and lid before filling it with fresh drinking water. Put the water tank in place and make sure it is properly attached. Ensure the capsule container and the cup support are in place. For your safety, operate the machine only with cup and capsule container in position. Plug the power cord into the electrical outlet. For an optimized heating time, close and lock the machine to turn the machine on. The light will blink while the machine is heating up. It will take approximately 30 seconds. When the light becomes steady, the machine is ready. Place a container of at least 1 liter under the coffee outlet. Make sure that the machine is still locked and that no capsule is inserted. Press the coffee button 3 times within 2 seconds to start rinsing. Let the rinsing procedure complete automatically. It should take less than 2 minutes before the rinsing process begins and water starts to flow. This operation may take up to 7 minutes and will stop automatically when the cycle is complete. When the light becomes steady, the cleaning is done. To pair your Virtuo Next machine, make sure that you have downloaded the Nespresso app on your mobile device. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your mobile device and that you are close to your machine. Launch the app on your smartphone or tablet. From the Nespresso app homepage, click on the machine icon. Pair your machine by following the instructions via the app. We recommend that you always update the app to the latest version. Your machine is now ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Should you need any more information, please visit Nespresso.com.
This is the Cuisinart single-serve brewer. It's really compact, it's really convenient, and when you're in a hurry, it gives you a great cup of coffee in minutes. So first I'm going to show you the machine, and then we're going to stop in the middle. I'm going to brew a cup of coffee for you. In the back here, just want to show you, this is a removable reservoir and lid, and you just remove the lid like so, and you slide this up. And this allows you to take it right to the sink to fill it, and then you put it back on the unit by doing the opposite. Just slide it down, make sure it's properly engaged, and put the lid back on. This reservoir holds 40 ounces of water. This is your filter holder. All you need to do is prepare your water filter and follow the instructions in the booklet that we give you for that, and then you just place it in there, and then you just slip it into the tank. And you just do that by pressing it down. It's really simple and easy to do. And make sure you follow the instructions for changing your water filter. You need to pay mind to that. So the front of the unit, this is a tray that's removable, and when you remove it, you can actually fit a travel mug under here. This also can go right directly in the dishwasher for cleaning if you need to. Slides right back on. And then on this side of the unit, you'll notice these are the control buttons. The first is power. Just press it, turns it off, press it, it turns on. And then the cup sizes. These are presets for cup sizes, 6, 8, and 10. And then lastly, right here, this is it'll tell you, the light will go on when you're below the proper water level in your reservoir, and it'll let you know you need to fill it back up before you go ahead and make any coffee. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a cup of coffee. We're just going to place our cup here, open the head, and put, actually before I do that, I'm going to show you that the holder is actually removable, and so this is a lot easier to keep clean. You just push it right back in to keep it in place. But these are K-cups, and it takes any compatible K-cup. You just pop it in, press this down to engage it. So this is your panel here, and what's going to happen is this is your power button. You just press it to turn it off or press it to engage it. And then the options are basically 6, 8, and 10. And today we're going to make an 8-ounce cup of coffee. And as we do that, I'll just talk to you a little bit more about the machine. The one great thing about having a single-serve brewer is that, sometimes you make a whole pot, you end up wasting a lot of coffee. And this allows you to buy what varieties you like. You can have decaf, and your partner or spouse can have regular bold coffee. So it has a lot of variety. You can also use any type of K-cup that makes, some of them make iced tea or tea. Some of them make, other types of things like hot cocoa, which my nephew loves. So you'll see how quickly it actually started to brew the coffee. Like I said, it's very compact, it's a really nice design, it's convenient and easy to use, and when you're in a hurry, it makes a great cup of coffee.